Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In our last video, we have solved the first part of question number 1 of exercise number 1.6 by the Cramer's rule. Now, we will solve the second part of question number 1 by the Cramer's rule. So, the second part is 2x plus y is equals to 3 and 6x plus 5y is equals to 1 by the Cramer's rule. So, the solution is, now we solve these equations. So, we can write these equations in matrix form, and these equations will be equals to 2, 1, 6, 5, the variable which are involved in these equations, and these are x and y, and this will be equals to 3 and 1. Let this is ax is equals to b. Here we know that a is equals to 2, 1, 6 and 5, and x is equals to x and y, and b equals to 3 and 1. First of all, we find the determinant of a. So, the determinant of a is equals to, put the value of a in the determinant, and the value of a is 2, 1, 6 and 5. So, it will be equals to 2 into 5 minus 1 into 6, which is equals to 10 minus 6, and this will be equals to 4. So, 4 can never be equal to 0. So, the solution is possible. Here we know that x is equals to determinant of ax over determinant of a, and y is equals to determinant of a of y over determinant of a. So, first we find the determinant of a of x. So, the determinant of a of x will be equals to 3, 1, 1 and 5. So, it will be equals to 3 into 5 minus 1 into 1, and it will be equals to 15 minus 1, which is equals to 14. Now we will find the value of determinant of a of x, and the determinant of a of y is equals to 3, 3, 1, 2 and 6. And it will be equals to 2 into 1 minus 3 into 6. This is equals to 2 minus 18, which is equals to minus 16. So, this is the answer of determinant of a of y, and this is the answer of determinant of a of x. Now, put the values in x and y. We get x is equals to a of x, determinant of a of x over determinant of a, and the determinant of a is 4, and the value of determinant of a of x is 14. So cancel it with 2. We have now 7 by 2. Now we will find the value of y, and the value of y is determinant of a of y over determinant of a, and the value of determinant of a of y is minus 16, and the value of determinant of a is 4. So we will get minus 4, and this is the value of y. From this we can say that x is equals to 7 by 2 and y is equals to minus 4. So the solution set is 7 by 2 the value of x and minus 4 the value of y. This is the solution of question number 1 second part by the Cramer rule. We will solve the third part in our next video.